Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna review, demo and test the Magic Mini palette by Juvia's Place. But before we jump in, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell and follow me on all my social media accounts, and please keep on watching. So this is how the video is gonna go. As you can see, I've already applied my foundation and primed my eyes. So what we're gonna do now is see the palette, read about it a little bit, do some swatches, and then I'll create a look to see how it performs. So here's how the package looks like. I've always wanted to try any palette from Juvia's Place, so I chose this one because it was available when I purchased it. So this is the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place. So let's read a little bit about it. So the Magic palette was inspired by the moon and sun, goddesses of the wilds, a beautiful fusion of cool and warm tones, vibrantly infused with 16 ultra shades, perfect for day to night time looks. So let's look at the palette itself and see how it looks like. So obviously this palette is cruelty free, which is good, of course. So this is how the palette looks like. Very beautiful colors. We have this plastic thing here, so it looks like this. We have some bluish green shades, cool tone shades in the bottom rows, and in the top rows there are warm tones, pinks, oranges, medium brown shades for transition. And this white here is, it's not white, it's a very light matte beige color. So now let's do some arm swatches so that we can see how the color looks like on the skin. But bear in mind that finger swatches are never an indication of how the colors or the eyeshadows actually performs on the eyes. So here are the swatches of the first two rows. The first color from the left here is Nubia, which is a metallic bright amber gold. Then we have Zakia, which is a matte pumpkin color. Ocean, which is a chrome ivory pink. And then Casey here, which doesn't appear very much, is a matte latte color. Zuba is a metallic pinkish gold. Nana or Wana is a matte tawny. Borono is a shimmer honey gold. And then Kogi is a matte reddish orange. The last two rows of the palette we have here from the left, Faso, which is a shimmer ice blue. Aja, which is a shimmer pine green, although the shimmer doesn't really show. Then Vi is a shimmer silver. And then Yemoja is a metallic gunmetal. If, which is a matter royal blue purple. Yara, which is a shimmer mint green. Buzu is a metallic emerald green. And then finally we have Yejaid, which is a matte royal blue. Okay, so now that we've seen the swatches, I'm thinking about the look that I want to create, and I'm pretty interested in the bottom two rows here, the cool tone shades. So maybe we'll go for that. I'm not really sure. So let's dig into it. Okay, so for transition, I'm gonna take this shade here, Nana, or on the website it was called Wana. Actually, let me zoom you in a little bit so that you can see better. So all the colors were pretty pigmented, so always remember to tap off the excess. As you can see, I've tapped off the excess of this shade, but there is still a lot of payoff. I'll then take this shade here, Zakia, just to deepen this crease up a little bit. The colors are pretty pigmented as I mentioned before, and they are very easy to blend. I don't find any difficulty blending these colors so far, which is pretty nice. And maybe now I'll take this purple shade here, this one. It's a matte purple, dark purple shade actually. Although while swatching it wasn't very dark, so maybe I'll add that to the crease as well and see how it goes. Yeah, it's darker than I imagined because of the swatch was a little different. But as I mentioned before, finger swatches is never an indication of how a shadow performs on your eyelids. That's a very pretty color, I like that. What do you think? And it's very easy to blend, although it's a dark matte, and I've mentioned before that dark matte colors are very hard to blend. That's why sometimes you can find shades that have a little hint of shimmer in it. That's actually to help the color blend well, but this one is pure matte and it's very easy to blend, to be honest. And now I'll take this shade here, Casey, which is a latte color, just to diffuse the edges around all these colors. And now I'll take the same color on a smaller blending brush just to deepen up the crease a little bit more. And maybe I'll try this blue shade here, the royal blue shade. And my nails look awful, but I'll take this color to deepen up the crease even more. Yeah, that's much better. Very easy to blend as well. I don't find any difficulty blending this one. Now I'll go back with the big fluffy brush to blend all the colors together and remove any harsh line. Now I want to add one of those shimmers to my lid, but I'm not sure which one to go for. This one, which is falso, it looks like a duochrome color, if you can see. It's actually blue with a shift of pink in it, so that might be pretty. So I'll take this falso shimmery shade on a flat brush first before trying it with a finger. Ooh, what a pretty color! Let's try how it applies with the finger. Not so different from the brush application. Such an amazing color. What do you think, guys? And maybe in the inner corner I'll add some of this Yemoja color. It's a kind of a silver shimmer or a gunmetal as the description in the website says. So maybe I'll add that to the inner corner here. Yeah, it gives this gradient effect to the other colors and it looks very beautiful. It's very pigmented as well, even more pigmented than this Faso color. I really love this one. So in love with this look right now. I just went back with the first color that we used, Nana or Wana, just to intensify this orange or warm brown a little bit. Okay, I think this is it for the upper lash line or the eyelids. I'll go finish off my face makeup and then I'll be back to complete the eyes. Okay, I'm back with the rest of my makeup done, and now let's finish up the lower lash line and see how this look ends up looking. So I think I'm gonna keep the lower lash line low key. So I'm gonna take the first shade that we used, Nana or Wana, and run it through my lower lash line like this. And I'll add a little bit of Zakia, which is this darker color. So unfortunately there isn't any highlighting shade that I can use in my inner corners and my brow bones. So I'm gonna be using my highlighter, the Master Chrome highlighter. This is the shade Molten Gold. It looks like this. So I'm gonna be using this one to highlight my inner corners and brow bone. And this is the final look. So my thoughts about the palette as a first impression. I really like the colors. It has a variety of shades. You can use it for like a daytime look or a nighttime look, as you can see. And you can mix and match the colors, the warm tone and the cool tone. I didn't find any difficulty blending the colors. They were all very pigmented, easy to blend, and there was no patchiness or muddiness or any of the bad stuff in it that you can find in an eyeshadow. So I think I recommend this one, and I'll be using it more in future videos. And you let me know what types of looks you want me to do using this palette. Today we did a purple-ish type of a eye look, so take a look and let me know what kind of looks, maybe a natural look or more smoky look. Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm also gonna be wearing this makeup for a couple of hours, maybe about 8 hours, so I'm gonna be updating you in the comments or in the description box on how this eyeshadow applied. Did it crease? Did it like leave any fallout under my eyes? I'm gonna update you on everything and every comment that I'm gonna have. So there you have it, guys. That was it. I hope you liked this look. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that notification bell and follow me on all my social media accounts. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! And I lost my nail color for some reason. Oh, that's on my fingers. Amazing. And now I'll take the same color on a smaller blending brush just to deepen up the crease a little bit more.